Stage 1. Take down the 5 bad guys in front of you. Use your shotgun at first. If necessary, switch to your pistol.
It eats anything.
Ah, that's
Stage 2. You are in your living room and you hear 2 bad guys break into the back room.
back in the chair.
Got your double barrel hammer gun there. All right. Stand by. Solid.
And there he goes to a block right there, mag dump with it. Yeah. I did it when I ran with it.
Stage 3. You're down to 2 shotgun shells left and your handgun.
Stand by. You got that. You ready? Stand by. I believe you missed that second.
I thought I missed the first one.
I think you did. You ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Crap!
Oh! And I think what you did, you blew my poster off. 8, 5, 2. Yeah, you actually, what it is, that was my shot. You blew the poster off.
What y'all laughing at? Oh.
He ripped the gate.
Power of 45. Stage 4. While moving, shoot 5 times at a heavily armored bad guy. There we go.
All right. Shoot ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Oh, shoot. Was that 6?
Yeah. You only had to fire 5.
And then I ejected the live one out.
You only had to fire 5 on this stage, but
Yeah.
everybody shot 6 so far.
Just to make sure.
Just to make sure.
You think he's dead? Take out the final bad guy with 1 round. Then reload and give him 1 more just to make sure.
I've got that on all my